Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1966 Chevelle Super Sport 396, truly American muscle, iconic car here. But before we get into this vehicle, I'll tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida, on the corner of Televast and 301, just north of University. We have about 85 to 95 cars in inventory. We typically try to keep around 100. As you can see, we have some luxury cars that you're looking at. We also have some classics and some exotics. We'll get into the Chevelle that I just mentioned that we would review today, but just wanted to show you a little bit about who Classic Cars of Sarasota is. As I mentioned, we are located in Sarasota, Florida. Our website is classiccarsofsarasota.com. You can see this 66 Chevelle or any of the other cars we have in inventory on our website. Feel free to give us a call if you're interested in this 66 Chevelle Super Sport 396 or any other vehicle we may have in inventory at 941-355-1955. If you're looking for financing, we do work with financing partners that do finance classic cars as well as late model vehicles, so we can take care of your financing needs as well. Just give us a call or go on our website. We do ship all over the country and worldwide, so if you have shipping needs or you're not in Florida, we can certainly get you this Chevelle or any other vehicle we may have in inventory. But as I'm going through this 66 Super Sport 396, you can see it is black with on black interior. Absolutely stunning paint. It looks excellent. A very straight car as well. You see the white raised lettering, the rally wheels, black bucket seats. I know it is dark inside here. Please look at our website for better pictures of the interior as well as pictures of the bottom of the vehicle, the trunk, and the engine compartment, which I will show you here. We'll go ahead and connect the battery as well and get this started for you. This vehicle does have power brakes and power steering, disc in the front, drum in the back. You see the 396, and just so you know, it's a cold start. 396s do not generally like to have a cold start. Comes with AC. As you can see, the compressor. It is a automatic. Get inside and grab the keys here and get it fired up for everybody. As you can see, the odometer just over 3,000 miles since the restoration. It starts up, but as I mentioned, 396 is big block, like to warm up. Idle a little bit. Again, if you have any shipping needs, please give us a call and or visit our website. We can help you with shipping. 941-355-1955. Again, a beautiful, beautifully well done vehicle. About 3,000 miles since the restoration on this 1966 Chevelle Super Sport. Absolutely stunning. Go ahead and close the door here. There we go. It's a beautiful car. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. If you're interested in this 396 Super Sport or any of the other vehicles we have in inventory, please give us a call and we can take care of you at 941-355-1955 or visit our website. Thank you very much.